Alan, middle of winter over in the US, I understand that inventories of natural gas for heating are very low, so this must be a great time to be investing in US natural gas.
You'd think so. Here's what's interesting. Inventories are low. They're about 81 billion cubic feet below the 5-year average for this time of year. But what's different this time is that production is up. It's up about 8%. That's going to make a big difference. So even though last year, with the polar vortex, the extremely cold winter, that brought supplies down of natural gas in the United States to ridiculously low levels. We haven't seen it that low in a long time. This year, a lot of the production that had been planned, particularly in the northeast of the United States, is starting to come on stream.
And is this new production gas that hadn't been extracted before?
It's the area is the Marcellus. The production were there, the wells were there, but the infrastructure was not there. The pipelines were not there, and some of the gas was, as they say, behind pipe. It couldn't get out. Now it can, and as I said, production is up significantly, and that's making the difference.
So more pipeline then to extract this gas and to transport it to where it's needed. But what's that been doing to the US natural gas price?
Well, probably people have been focusing a lot more on the oil price, which has collapsed, as we know, by about 50% over the last 6 months. But actually, the natural gas price in the United States has also fallen. It was already kind of low. It's fallen another 29% in December alone.
Sounds like a pretty steep fall, so that must be hurting the gas producers.
It is. They're not doing well. They're doing, though, as badly as the U.S. Oil explorers themselves. So some of these guys, like Range Resources, they haven't had a good year, and they haven't had a good couple of months. But it seems that the supply of gas keeps coming, and this is an interesting point to follow on, because a lot of this is coming from shale, formations, and that gas keeps coming, even though the gas price has fallen a lot over the last 5 years. So something to think about in terms of shale oil in the future.
So finally, I guess what the gas producers are hoping won't happen is a very mild winter and sort of fairly warm temperatures all around.
That's an issue. There was some mild temperatures in December, which followed a sort of November freeze, which brought a huge amount of snow to the upper northeast of the United States. But I think it's going to take an extremely cold winter to really push up the natural gas price in the United States.
Cold times then for that industry. Alan, thanks very much.